Today is the 9th of March, and next month is gonna be my son's 5 years birthday, and I decided to make a beer for his birthday to give to the guests. So I was just thinking about the recipe, I was thinking about the name, and I decided the name's gonna be Hoppy Birthday, in Hops with Trust, and I still need to think about the label, but I came up with the recipe. So I'm gonna be using kits again, like last time I used kits, and I'm gonna be using light malt extract from the malt miller, brewing sugar to give more alcohol, oats to give that hazy look and that feeling that lingers in your mouth, and I'm going to be using 1272 American Ale 2, that's the yeast. I just broke it, so it's starting to grow up now. And for the dry hops, before that, I'm going to be using CO2 Hop extract. This adds a little bit of bitterness to the beer. I'm going to add this when I mix the malt with the oats. So for the dry hops, I'm going to be using these two hops here. One is Mosaic BBC, apparently is high performance hops, and Columbus BBC, which is supposed to be very performant as well. And I'm going to get into more details about the dry hops in a couple of days, in about a week from today. And the other stuff I'm going to need, this is to check the pH of the acidity of the water, and I'm going to need that to check the gravity, so I can check how much alcohol is on the beer, and I'm going to use that to control the temperature of my water. I'm going to be cooking the oats here, and I'll keep the temperature around 70 degrees for the mash, and then I'm going to boil it for 1 hour. And these are the other bits, the caps and everything, sanitizer, and this is another hop addition I'm going to do at the end. This is a pure hop aroma Citra. I use this just to whack the flavors at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start my mash. So I'm gonna get these oats and crush them to start. On my last beer I used around 500 grams of oats, and the beer ended up a little bit of milky flavor, and this time I'm going to use around 300 grams, maybe something between 250 to 300 grams, and I'm going to crush them first. Right then, I got 1.5 liters of water there, and the temperature is 70 degrees, so I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to keep it for 1 hour, and I'll keep checking temperature, and I'm going to top up in case it goes below 70.
That's nice.
So it's been 1 hour, and I kept the temperature around 70 degrees, just keeping some top up from now and then. And now I'm gonna just pass it through this filter, and then I'm gonna put it back in there, and I'm gonna boil it for 1 hour. I'm going to also do some sparging here. I'm going to add about 1 liter on top of this. I'm gonna just put this aside, and I'm gonna cook this for 1 hour. Just want to try to avoid sediment that's in the bottom, because it's a very thick sediment. That's all. We don't need all that. As an addition, I'll be adding 1 milliliter of CO2 hop extract. This is really strong and it's very thick. I had to leave it in warm water for 5 minutes just to melt it. It's like honey. So I'll just do that, about 1 milliliter. That's it. It's gonna add a lot of acidity and a lot of bitterness to the beer. Right then, it's been 1 hour that this has been cooking, and now I'm gonna pass this into the container where I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna mix the malt and the brewing sugar, and then I'm gonna pass another container and add the yeast. So I'm gonna use a filter here. That's about it, so I don't want to get all the bits that are inside there. Next, 1 kilo of brewing sugar. Then I'm going to stop the top up with hot water. And then liquid malt extract. So once that's well mixed, I'm going to start to top off with cold water and keep checking the temperature to make sure I have around 23 to 25 degrees before I feed this. So now it's time to pitch the yeast. I'm going to put it on the top and I'm going to mix a little bit. And I'm going to transfer the wort from this bucket to another bucket.